So hi students, let's understand what is given first. We are given this value a plus 1 by a. This value is given to us as 6 and we are asked to find the value of a minus 1 by a. Now students, if I use basic common sense, this is nothing but the sum of two things. And what we are asked to find is nothing but the difference between those two same things. Now in these type of problem, what exactly is the key? Key is this quantity a square plus 1 by a square. Maybe you are not able to understand it right now, but this is the quantity which relates the given and to find. I expect all of you know this, that a plus 1 by a whole square is how much? It's gonna be a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Now students, there is a basic rule of maths. Whatever is known, just plug in the value. So a plus 1 by a is given 6. So it becomes 6 square. Now students, if we look at this quantity, this whole quantity which is inside the green box, I don't want to write it again and again. So I'm going to call it t. So this whole quantity I'm going to call t. Now, so t will become 6 square minus 2. So 6 square will be equal to 36, not 12. So t will be 34. Now remember what is t? T is nothing but the whole value, that is a square plus 1 by a square. Now students, if you were able to understand a plus 1 by a whole square, I'm sure that all of you can easily understand that a minus 1 by a whole square will be same but with a minus 2. It will be a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now student, this quantity is still unknown. So I'm going to copy it as it is, a minus 1 by a whole square equal to, now if you see this thing students, this whole thing inside the box, we know we just found out the value of this. It's nothing but 34. Now we need to plug in the value of this whole quantity because we already know from the previous equation. So it's going to be 34 minus 2. So from here we get a minus 1 by a whole square. This whole thing will be equal to 34 minus 2, that is 32. Now with the basic maths, we can easily write a minus 1 by a. This quantity will be equal to root of 32. How exactly we find the roots? We first prime factorize the given number, that 32 will be 2 multiplied 5 times. And we make pair of two same things. For every two same things, one comes outside. So from here, we will get 2 and 2 outside. 1, 2 will be left inside the root. So the answer will become 4 root 2. Now, this is our answer or the value of the difference. Now, students, if you have seen till here very closely, I want to show you something, that there is a shortcut for finding the answer. What exactly is that? Let's say if a plus 1 by a is given m, what will be the value of a minus 1 by a? First, we're going to find m square minus 2. What is that? If you can understand, m square minus nothing but the value of this box. So you can say 6 square minus 2. Then whatever we get, that is like we got 34, we subtracted again 2 from that quantity. And then we took a root. So if we simplify, it will become a minus 1 by a will be always m square minus 4. Correct. Now students, we can easily use this in one step in some problems. Let's say if a plus 1 by a is given 10. So a minus 1 by a will be root under 10 square minus 4. That is nothing but 100 minus 4. That is root under 96. And you can do it prime factorization way, but or you can use this method of mine I'm writing. 16 is a perfect square, so 4 will come outside. 4 root 6 will be the answer. Now students, if you understood this whole process, I have a small challenge for you. Let's say a plus 1 by a is 8. Share me your answers. What will be the value of a minus 1 by a? Try to use the same technique and let me know your answers. That's all, students. Thank you. Bye bye.